channel. So as you can see here, we're going to do a quick and simple Easter look. This look I'm doing today will be inspired by this Easter dress. This is one I wore years ago, so I'm just going to do a look. Okay, so first color I'm going to use is my transition shade, and I'm going in with my Fake Morphe palette. That's so crazy that I say that, but I'm going to use this nude right here and a little bit of these three colors just to use as, actually I'm going to use the third color. I think that's the one I like to use. So yeah, I always got something going on in my videos. Like, it's something, it's never, I don't never have that. Well, at least not yet. I ain't gonna say I don't never, but as of now, in any previous video, it's never a quiet background, nice background. Like, this is my work. This is my little area where I do what I do. I brought my light in here, my other light. Like, I got my ring light, my hair thing, my little desk where I do my makeup stuff at, like my mirror, like all that. So that's my little area. So we're gonna make it work with what we got going on, guys. But I wanted to do like a real quick and simple look. Like, I didn't want to do too much because, like, I really am just gonna go in my living room, take me dinner. But I wanted to do something really cute. But guys, for the most part, yeah, it's gonna be very simple. I don't even know what kind of look I'm going for right now. But I want it to be really cute and subtle and soft. So yeah, but that's pretty much it for my transition. Like, it's like a base. I don't want to do too much here, but I'm pretty satisfied. This look, my brows look right. Don't say y'all. Let me just brush these bad boys out, because y'all not gonna be talking about me this whole video. Yeah, girl. I mean, y'all already know that if I put it up, well, that don't mean anything, because I like to be very transparent on my channel. So even if I do bad, I will still put it up, and I will just let you know. You know, like something like epic fail. Oh, this thing is rough. This rough is rough. This rough is rough. This brush is so rough. See, y'all? This way it was gonna work itself out. Y'all, the blending out, like, brows is the hardest part of makeup, I think. What y'all think? Comment below right now. Tell me what's the hardest part for you in makeup. Like, what takes the most time for you? For me, it's my brows. I mean, I be trying to make them be, like, identical. And that never happens, as you can see. Like, it never works. Like, this one is like, oh, I thought I saw something, y'all. Like, this is my favorite brow. This one, it's just never. And I was thinking, like, with this quarantine, I need to stop trying to clean up my brows and let them try to grow back right now. But I'm like, if I'm posting videos, like, how can I do that? Okay, so what we about to do here now, I'm looking for it, but I don't think it's in here. Oh, it's in here. So y'all know when I use color base, I like to use my NYX eyeshadow base. So I'm about to go in there with that now on my Morphe 421 brush. And I'm just going to blot it. Y'all know, blot it all the way up till I have it fade out to my arch. So that's what I'm about to do. Real Technique brush, y'all. Concealer. It's a concealer brush. And y'all know, going in and blending out that base. Blend it up towards the arch. Okay, so I blend it out. Then I'm going back in with my Morphe 421 brush, and I'm trying to blend out this little piece right here because I don't know, it's like a little bit wider than the other side. Mm, there's this like it's this like, I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, I'm gonna use from the crayon case, and it's this blue right here. I'm thinking I'm gonna use that one. Yeah, it's like I don't know what color it is really. It's in the blue section, but yeah. It look like they try to follow the color chart a little bit with this palette, but I could just be saying that because it looked that way, but it really may. People be like, you know, well, first of all, ain't no people. I was like this at first too. When people, when you do colors, like it's so hard to do colors, y'all, because you never know. I think I want to do this. Ooh. Y'all, this is pretty. How y'all feel about that? I'm looking real baby girl. I think I'm gonna do my whole lid with this. And I am, y'all, sorry. I said simple. We may be really simple today, honey. But I think I'm gonna do a different color on my waterline, so don't be looking like Jazz. You know, give me something. Look at y'all something to talk about. I can feel myself get more comfortable with my channel, to my personality. You know, it's being out with, I mean, you know, I think it's because also that I don't do too many like talk through videos. Like I'm doing more voiceovers, so it's not like it's not as personal as this is, you know. Like, y'all comment below right now and tell me like what is it that draws you to a makeup channel. Like, what is it that attracts you? Is it like the thumbnail? Is it the title? Yeah, like for me, it's always, I think it's the like thumbnail. The thumbnail is like what it look like depends on how I'm gonna be like. First of all, I could read a title, but that don't mean nothing because I've read titles like clickbaits that have nothing to do with what it say. Then I'm just sitting there looking stupid in the first like 3 minutes of the video, like trying to figure out when y'all gonna talk about what I clicked on. So yeah. I forgot I had the noodles for the macaroni cooking, but I remembered them just in time. Okay. How do I feel about this blend out? The custom person looks really good. And y'all, I'm really managed. Okay. So what I'm about to do is go put my lashes on and I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, y'all. The camera was not even recording. So the only thing I missed was I went in with the NYX eyeshadow base and I just applied that to the bottom lash. And then I went in with this green from the crayon case. And I'm just going in and applying that to my waterline. That is crazy. I was just talking and I just looked. Oh, I ain't see no light. Or nothing. Okay. This is very far from simple. But guys, and since the camera shut off, I'm gonna do my face on camera. I wasn't going to, but I don't even know what happened. So just to get y'all from those first. So I saw this thing online that I want to do. I'm gonna try it today. It's basically, and y'all may do it, but I just don't, so it's new to me. So they moisturize the face, then use the primer, and then before they apply their foundation, they use the powder. So we're gonna see what they do. See how loud my husband's TV is, and I'm in the bedroom. So I can't wait till we get the house. I'm gonna buy me a little shed. I'm gonna be in my little area. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with the pores. My Benefit pores. Y'all know I'm just going. I'm still using this thing, but listen, y'all, I'm not a fan of order. Ooh, God, we got some on Moana. Moana was right here by my feet, y'all. Okay. What pressure now? To put some, just lightly with like one coat, some loose powder, and like work it in. Man. Whoa. I would hate if they didn't say loose powder, and I'm just doing it. We ain't gonna say we did a light coat because you can see mine, but we're just gonna say we did a coat. We applied it. There you go. There you go for that person that was watching this and said it with me. We applied it. They say it's supposed to give you that real like photo finish look. And I'm here for a photo finish. You can see that I got it on too. Looking real ghostish. Okay. So let's go ahead and get this Clinique popping, because you already know it's my favorite foundation at the moment. Okay, I'm pushing it in. I'm pressing it in my skin. And I'm taking it down to my neck. Next, I'm going in with my ColourPop concealer in the shade medium brown. Almost done. Crazy thing. So it was gonna be a quick and simple makeup routine. Okay. Use the opposite, my other Real Technique brush, and blend out this concealer. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about the end result, but for the most part, that is it for this look that I'm gonna record. Off camera, I'm gonna do my blush, my contour, highlighter, finishing, and lip, and I'll come back and show you guys the final look.